Hello friends, today we are going to review an HP laptop, basic laptop, which we can use for office use as well as for the students. It is an basic model from an HP. We can use for our official work as well as study purpose. The model number of this laptop is 15SDU2067TU. So today we are going to review this laptop and see the looks of these laptops. So let's get started and review these laptops. Before the review, I will tell the basic specification of these laptops. Basically, it is an 4 GB RAM laptop with a 256 GB of SSD storage and 1 TB of hard disk storage. It has 4 GB of RAM and it has a processor of i3 10th generation. So basically it is an laptop for the office use as well as student use. It comes with a Microsoft Office 2019 student and home edition. So and it has an Alexa also installed in that, so you can also use it. It has a 15.6-inch of full HD display, which has been 220 nits of brightness, and it has an anti-glare coating. You can see the laptop on the screen. Basically it is a very good laptop. You can see the keyboard on the laptop, how it's looking. So on the left side of the laptop you can see there is one USB port. One USB port is there, one LAN port is there, and one type C port is there. On the right hand side of the laptop there are two USB ports, one charging port and one SD card reader, and also there is a lock for the instant lock there is available, and the speakers are available here. You can see the speaker grill is here. The HD, basically it is a 720p HD camera, basically which is a normal camera, and the performance is average. So you will see the logo of HP and it is in jet black color. And the below we can see then air vent for this and the rubber grips for the support to the laptop on the surface. It is the icon shown here is a Windows laptop, so we are getting a genuine Windows 10 operating system for home. So let's start the laptop and see how much faster it boots. So I am starting the laptop, so I have just pressed the button of power. So let's check how much time it takes. So on your screen you can see that it almost takes 5 to 6 seconds to turn on this laptop. So I am entering my password. So basically this is an quality of the laptop, display quality, you can see it on the screen. When if you want to see the system info, you can type here in search bar system info. Okay, we are now in system info. We are typing, so you can see. Okay, there is the system info on your screen. So I am clicking on the screen. Okay, you can see that HP laptop. Hardware information of this laptop: RAM, install physical memory 4 GB, hardware resources. You will click on hardware resources, you can check the components, whatever you want, software information. Basically it is a very good laptop, you can use for office purpose, I must say. And about the touchpad, It has a left and right buttons to click, and the touchpad is in a precision touchpad which is smooth. It is it can support multi gestures, so it comes within that supports. So I think this is a very good laptop. You can buy this laptop between range of 38,000 to 40,000, depends upon the price on the various websites as well as in stores. So I recommend this laptop as there is a SSD 256. It is a boot time is very fast and the performance is very good. Also we can upgrade the RAM as well as the memory. So before buying any laptop, please make sure that it have an SSD, so your system will boot and your performance will be increases. In today's days, laptop without don't buy a laptop without SSD, because hard disks are not as fast as the SSD, and this is an age of SSD, so the SSDs are very fast. It will improve the overall performance of the laptop. Not just only processor matters, but also SSDs also matter while buying the laptop. So this is an model 15S DU 2067 review. So please buy this laptop if you want a good laptop below 40,000 range. Thank you friends for watching this video.